If you're waiting on a tax refund, this might not be what you want to hear, but it's the truth. A government shutdown in the US could hit the IRS harder than almost any other federal agency, and that means major delays are on the way. Let's unpack exactly what that means for you. So here's the situation. When the US government runs out of approved funding, everything that's considered non-essential slows down or stops completely. And yes, a big chunk of the IRS falls into that category. Now, the IRS does keep a skeleton crew running during a shutdown, usually around 30 to 40% of employees. But here's the problem. Those employees can't issue refunds, process amended returns, or answer your questions on the phone. That means if you're waiting on a refund, need to verify your identity, or have a tax issue stuck in limbo, you could be waiting weeks or even months longer than normal. Number 1. Refunds get delayed. Even electronic returns that would normally clear in a week or two can get stuck because there aren't enough staff to process them. The IRS legally can't release refunds until the shutdown ends and funding resumes. Number 2. Audits and disputes freeze. Sounds like a good thing, right? Not really. If you're in the middle of an audit or trying to appeal a penalty, that clock doesn't stop for you. It stops for them. Your issue just sits there, unresolved, building interest or late fees once the system restarts. Number 3. Phone support disappears. During the last major shutdown, the IRS stopped answering over 90% of taxpayer calls. That means if your refund gets flagged or your e-file is rejected, good luck reaching a human being to fix it. Number 4. Collections continue, kind of. Here's the tricky part. Some collection activity pauses, but not all. If your debt is already in the automated system, interest and penalties keep adding up. Private collection agencies might still call you, even when the government itself is closed. And finally, the tax season backlog. When the government eventually reopens, millions of returns, refund requests, and appeals come flooding back in at once. That's when the real chaos starts. In 2019, it took the IRS months to dig out from the shutdown pileup, and taxpayers waited into summer for refunds that should have arrived in February. So, what can you do? If you're expecting a refund or need to fix an issue, file early and electronically. Direct deposit is your best chance of getting paid fast before a shutdown hits. And if you owe money, make payments online. Even during a shutdown, those systems usually stay active. Bottom line, a government shutdown doesn't erase your tax obligations. It just makes the system slower, messier, and more stressful for everyone. So don't wait. File early, keep your documents ready, and stay patient. Because once the IRS goes dark, the waiting game begins. Stay informed, stay prepared, and subscribe for more updates like this that actually help you protect your money.